Want to earn money online by working just a few hours a day? Here are 5 legit websites where you can get paid hourly. Perfect for students, freelancers, and side hustlers in 2026. This is SolvePoint. Subscribe for more money-making and side hustle tips. Platform 1. Upwork. Find freelance projects in writing, design, marketing, and more. Great for building long-term client relationships across a wide range of skills. Platform 2. Fiverr. Offer short, specific services starting from as little as $5. Ideal if you want to package your skills into quick, sellable gigs. Platform 3. Freelancer. Work on hourly or fixed-price projects with clients from all over the world, across nearly every industry. Platform 4. People per hour. Get hired by the hour, with most clients based in the UK and US. A solid option if you want steady, hourly paid work. Platform 5. Remote tasks. Do simple microtasks like image tagging and AI training and get paid for your time. No experience or investment needed to get started. No investment required for any of these, just your skills and consistency. Comment below which one you're going to try first. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to SolvePoint for more side hustle and money-making tips.